Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme in Brave browser. Whether you want a sleek dark mode or something a little more colorful, it only takes a few clicks. Let's get started. Alright, first open up your Brave browser. Now go to the top right corner and click on the three horizontal lines or menu icon. From here, click on Settings. Once you're inside Settings, look over to the left-hand side and click on Appearance. Now under Appearance, you'll see the Theme section. Brave gives you a few options. System Default. This will match whatever theme your Windows or Mac OS is currently using. Light. This gives your browser a bright, classic look. Dark. This switches everything to dark mode, which is great for your eyes, especially at night. Let's go ahead and click on Dark. As you can see, the browser changes instantly. The top bar, tabs, menus, everything goes dark. Now, if I switch back to light, everything brightens up again. If you're on Windows and want even more customization, Brave also supports themes from the Chrome Web Store. Let me show you how to do that. Open a new tab and search for Chrome Web Store themes. Or just go to https://chrome.google.com Web Store category for themes. Now browse through the available themes and pick one you like. When you find one, just click on it and hit the Add to Chrome button. Brave will apply the theme instantly. You'll see changes to your tab bar, toolbar, and background. If you want to go back to the default theme, just head back to Settings and Appearance and click Reset to Default under the Theme section. And that's it. You've successfully changed your theme in Brave. Super easy, and it gives your browser a whole new look. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new tutorial. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.